In a lush green meadow near the edge of a dense forest, a timid rabbit named Rumi lived in a cozy burrow. Not far away, a sleek black cat named Zara roamed the village, known for her sharp wit and agile paws. One day, after a heavy storm, Rumi's burrow collapsed, leaving him homeless and frightened. As he wandered, searching for a new shelter, he stumbled upon Zara, who was stuck high in a tree after escaping a pack of wild dogs. "Rumi, help me get down," Zara pleaded. Rumi, though small, had an idea. He gathered fallen branches and stacked them into a makeshift ramp. Zara carefully climbed down, landing safely. "Thank you, little friend," Zara purred. "But why are you out here alone?" Rumi explained his burrow had been destroyed. Without hesitation, Zara led him to the village barn, where a warm haystack became his new home. From that day on, Zara and Rumi became inseparable, proving that kindness and teamwork could create the strongest bonds.